We guide you through how to change the text background color in Google Docs so your text stands out and look more visually appealing. First thing you need to do is open your Google Docs document and highlight the text you want to modify. Next, click the highlight color icon in the toolbar, which looks like a small marker, and choose your preferred color from the palette. If you don't see the icon, go to Format in the top menu, select Text, then highlight and pick the color you want. Once selected, the background of the highlighted text will change immediately, making it easier to emphasize important points, headings, or key information. You can experiment with this color for multiple sections to organize content visually. This method works for single words, sentences, paragraphs, or even entire sections, giving you Google Docs a more professional and engaging look for reports, presentations, or study notes.